Hi guys, and welcome to our video for today, the 8th of April 2026. So let's go through this watch list, how we caught it, and what is next in these stocks. Starting here on UCAR, probably the best one for today. The reason being is because there's clear structure to it. As you can see, move up, pull back, move up, pull back. Gradually it's going to move up, pull back, etc. So there's clear rhythm, clear structure, clear direction to this chart, which is good. And looking at this for a day trade, for a scalp, what you need is to put all the price action in a falling wedge pattern like this, and make sure you've got 3 touches beside of it, and then the same for the bottom side just here, and we're looking for a push beyond 1.6 by around 2%, for around an 8%, 10% sort of move from the entry point, over 1.6, the key level on UCAR. So this one looks good for a day trade, lots of volume in this, which is good, around 7 million on this green candle here on the 5-minute time frame, which is really good, really strong, above all moving averages as it stands, which is great. However, if we were to lose 0.85 on this one, I do think it would be done, and I wouldn't want to be holding it for a day trade or a swing trade. And then going to the 4-hour time frame here, just to see what we need to hold this overnight. So by 4 p.m. Eastern time, end of today and tomorrow, what do we need on this for it to be applicable to hold overnight? So we need a 4-hour green candle close over 1.2 would be good, as it'll see us gradually continue towards 1.6, where you can sell 50%, maybe sell 40% higher at around $2 flat. So that would be around a 20-25% first target, and with a 4-hour green candle close over 1.2 on UCAR, and that should present by at least 1:30 p.m. Eastern time for today. And again, just be careful if this losing 0.85. You wouldn't want to be in this beneath 0.85 at all. And then zooming in now on the daily time frame, doesn't really tell us too much, to be honest. I would just think that we're going to hit a resistance at 1.6 and potentially reject. We've reclaimed the ATMA here, which is good, but I think the main information here for holding this overnight and for the long term is in the 4-hour, and the 4-hour green candle close over 1.2 by 1:30 p.m. Eastern time. Should see us hit 1.6 and gradually gap up towards $2 in this. But I think this one is best for a day trade, to be honest, on UCAR. So let's quickly move to QNCX. And this one's been in free fall since market open, a little squeeze up to 0.385, essentially over here. And for a good part of 30 minutes now, it's just been a constant downtrend. But nothing goes up forever and nothing goes down forever as well. That's important to remember. And we can expect a reversal at some point. So we're probably going to come into the Bollinger Band Center here. And this is only for a day trade, guys, not for a swing trade. So we're probably going to come into the Bollinger Band Center here around 0.21 and maybe support at 0.2. Where I'd expect a bounce around here and then a recovery and a rebreak of 0.25. So essentially, I'm going to wait for a loss of 0.25 here, then a rebreak of 0.25, and then expect it to release 6% on this one. However, if we lose 0.2 on this, I do think we're done. To be honest, I'm probably coming down for a further deeper golden cross retest, the 200 EMA and 200 MA, all the way down at 0.12, which is a massive drop and not good. So going to the 4-hour time frame now. So again, this one looks okay for a day trade. Swing trade doesn't look good because you just got a massive red 4-hour candle. But the benefit is that we're right on support here at 0.25. But if this doesn't hold 0.25 on the 4-hour time frame by 1:30 p.m. Eastern time or 4 p.m. Eastern time today, the 8th of April, then I expect this one to be done, and I wouldn't look to hold this overnight. I wouldn't look to hold this overnight with a 4-hour green candle close over 0.4, to be honest, eradicating this rejection over here and what's caused a massive red candle. And the daily time frame is just going to exaggerate and amplify that even further. And I'd wait for a daily close over 0.4 for holding this overnight, more so than the 4-hour, to be honest. And I would see it continue towards 0.5 and mainly towards 0.7, I think. So 0.5 first target, sell 50%, then 40% around 0.7 for a death cross retest and 60 EMA just here as a major price target. But to be honest, QNCX and UCAR don't look good for swings at all. Just okay for day trades, with UCAR looking the best with a clear rhythm and clear structure. So this one I quite like, looking at the 5-minute time frame. We're going now to BBGI. This is because, again, there's lots of good consolidation here. We've got a U-shape. So U-shapes are bullish because it can easily form to a cup and handle like that, or an inverted head and shoulders. It shows that price was once high at 5.74. It came down, found a bottom. Now it's gradually magnetizing its way back up to show the courage, strength, and determination to bring itself up in value. So on this one, I'll be waiting for a close over 6 on the 1-minute time frame, or a 2-3% push over 6 on this one, for at least an 8% move for a day trade, as it's consolidating between 5 and 6 for now in a 20% sort of range, which is a fair range. And then going to the 4-hour time frame. So this one looks good. A 4-hour candle close over 6 would see me hold this overnight, and expect continuation and a gap up towards 7.5 from a 20% sort of move. Currently above the 200 EMA, 200 MA, which is good. And again, it's a daily time frame. More of the same. I'd focus more on the 4-hour on this, but a 4-hour candle close over 6, green candle close over 6 by the end of today, so 4 p.m. Eastern time, end of today. I just expect this one to continue up towards 7.5 on this gradually. However, if you were to lose the 200 simple moving average in the daily time frame here, so 4.75, just if we lose 4.75, I think this one is done. So I wouldn't want to be in this for a day trade or a swing trade beneath 4.75 on this one. And that is the watch list, guys. So that's it for today. Be careful, as it's a very difficult day. But if you want publicized trading journals, trade reviews, seminars, etc., as well as seeing how we execute all our trades live and live trading, check us out. Link in the video description and the Twitter bio. So thanks, and catch you all later.